everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unstuffing from my envelopes. I have just some purchases that I made that I need to take back to the bank, and then I have a couple of envelopes that I'm able to put a couple placeholders in. So I'm going to take care of that, and then I'm going to do a cash condensing. So I have a few things to do in this video. First, going to start off with these the placeholder ones, because that way it'll help get me some money over here to work with when I'm unstuffing, and then I can condense with it. So the first one is in this black binder. I have my emergency envelope, which is very full, needs to be condensed. And I have, okay, so I have 2,150. So I can take this 500 placeholder and oops, I grabbed the wrong placeholder. I need to grab 1,000 placeholders. So let me go grab 1,000. So here's the 1,000 placeholder, and I'm just gonna take the 500 from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. Okay, so this is gonna go back to the bank, and I'm gonna be able to use this to condense, which is nice. Okay, so let's see. Total for this envelope is 2,150. So I should have 150 over here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. So 150. Yeah, 2,000 plus the 1,000 placeholders, which I'm going to work on getting these back in stock in my shop. I'm going to try to, I have Friday off, so I'm going to work on restocking things in my shop when it comes to the things I made. The other stuff like binders, I have those on order, so hopefully by January those will be back in stock. Okay, so I took care of this emergency, and I'm actually gonna get a little highlight because I like to highlight and cross off. Okay, that one's done. All right. Next is the treat yourself envelope. I have 500 I need to pull from that envelope. So I'm going to this pink binder, and I have treat yourself, which is at $15.97. So I can put a 500 placeholder in here. Come on. All right, so I already have 1,000 placeholder, and I'm just going to grab a 500 placeholder and take 500 back to the bank. So 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. Lots of money to condense with, which is nice. All right, and then I already have the 1,500, and then in cash I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. So $97. So that's $15.97 total for this envelope. I'm just gonna put this in the bank and get some interest on that. All right, so that is the treat yourself one. Okay, and then that's it for taking money out for the placeholder stuff. Okay, so that's all done. And now I'm just gonna go into my envelopes to pull out this stuff that I have that I already spent. So first up is Starbucks. I did a few coffee runs or reloads. So that's $30. I always put my reloads in here, and I just take that back to the bank. So that's $30. That's gonna go back to the bank for Starbucks coffee. Done. All right, and then I think I have some envelopes. I have a ton of envelopes I'm shopping with, so they're in here right now. The next one is beauty. So beauty, I need $20. I got some things off at Amazon, so I need to take that to the bank. All right, so I've been spending from this too. I bought some like vitamin serum recently, and then I bought some other like lotion and things like that. So 20, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, okay. So I spent all the money in here. I'm gonna update this later because I like to do this in a shop with me video. So I won't be updating any of these trackers in here in my wallet, but I will just check this one off. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's all the money that I had for beauty. It's going back to the bank. Just do a little highlight. Okay, next is eating out. I went to Einstein Bagels and I got a bagel sandwich, breakfast sandwich, and that was $11. And I did a mobile order. That's why I didn't pay in cash, because it does take a bit to make it, and I just wanted to pick it up real quick and go. So I paid with my card. I did a mobile order online. So that's $11. So I'll need $9 back from this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And this is just my eating out money. So I don't have a tracker in here that I need to fix. I'm left with 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 for eating out this week. Okay, so that one is done. Next, I have a home item that I purchased. Oh, I got one of those, is it a salad spinner? Those little spinner things that helps after you wash your lettuce and vegetables and stuff. Because, yeah, it really does help to get all the water off. But I bought that off of Amazon. And I need to go to my home envelope, which is here. That was $32. Okay, so $32. Wow, I actually have like all the money for this, like the exact change, which is nice. All right, so 32. So that's 20, 30, 1, 2. In here. And again, I'm going to update this envelope in another video, so this, I don't have to worry about the tracker right now. That's $32. And then last, I bought, I used my furniture envelope, and I bought a shoe cabinet. So that is in this one. I got it on Amazon, which I said I wasn't going to buy any more furniture on Amazon, but I think for a shoe cabinet, it should be fine. So yeah, it should be good. So I spent $110 on that, which I have $113 in here. Okay, so basically left with $3. So 50, 70, 90, 110. And all of this money is either rounded up or down. Obviously, I can't pull out change. That would be just too difficult. So I either choose to round up or down, depending on how much it is. But yeah. Furniture, I have $3 left. This one I am going to update the tracker since it's not an envelope that I am spending within my wallet. So this one, minus 110, and I'm left with $3. All right, cool. I'm excited to get that cabinet because my shoes are just, it's a mess. You know, you get home and you take your shoes off and it's just, they kind of pile up, and I've been having a little bit of a shoe problem, like buying shoes, and they're, you know, you wear a different one each day, and then they don't get put back where they're supposed to be. So I figured a shoe cabinet would be nice, a little bit easier than having to go to my closet and doing that whole thing. We'll see how that works out, but I think it's gonna work out well. So now that I've pulled out all of this, all the things I needed to pull out, I'm just going to calculate this because I didn't calculate how much I should have over here. So 30, 20, 11, 32, 110, and then 500 and 500. So that's 1203 that I should have over here. And I'm just going to double check, make sure that is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 400. I'm just going to use my calculator so I don't mess up. 51, 52, 53, 54, 50. So 450. 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I'm at 1200, yeah, and 3. Perfect. All right, so that is correct. This money is all going back to the bank. 1,000 is just going into a savings account, and then the rest of this is going into just to my checking account since I already spent it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to condense, if I can, these envelopes because some of them are still kind of full. So this will be nice to get some of these a little bit more condensed. since I have those 100s and 50s. All right, so yeah, like here, I can do 100. I can do, oh, I should do 50 here, 20, 40, 50, and then 10. Kind of did it the long way, but that's okay. So 1, 2, 250, 260 in auto repair. Okay, emergency, actually didn't check if I can condense this. I probably should have when I did that whole thing, but I didn't. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 100, and then I can do, this is 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. A $50 bill. All right, so I'm left with 2,150 in emergency. Extra savings has 20, so that one's good. Furniture only has 3. Rainy day, I have 52. Okay, I think I could do some 20s. I don't want to do a 50, so I'm just going to do 20s. 10, 15, 20. All right, so that's 20, 40, 50, 1, 2. $52 here. Road trip has 10, so that one's good. Scentsy has 27, so that one looks pretty good. Subscriptions, I can do a 50, so 20, 40, 60, a 50 and a 10. Oh, actually a 20 here. Okay, so subscriptions has 1, 200, 250, 270, 275. Next is travel, which has 125. So I can definitely do 100. So 50, 70, 90, 100. 50, 70, 90, 100. We got that 100 here, and that's 125. Perfect. All right, so that is it for the black binder. I don't really have a lot in this binder because I'm shopping with a lot of these envelopes. I only have $10 in clothing, so I think that one's good. Content, I have 55. I mean, I could do a 50. Do I want to do 50? I kind of like to keep smaller amounts because I sometimes go to Dollar Tree with this money to buy stuff for hauls, and I can't remember if they take 50s. I don't know. I'd rather keep 20s just in case. Family has 85. So I can do 20, 40, 60, a 50, and a 10. 50 and a 10. And I'm left with 50, 70, 80, 85 in family. Gifts, I like to leave whatever it is because I like to have a mixture. So that's the only one I'm not going to touch that one. All right, and then next I'm going to go into the pink binder. Go Wild. That one's good. Oops. Okay, Disneyland, I have 33. Okay, I could do a 10. Disneyland. So that's 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. Fun has 45, so maybe a 10. Actually, no, that one's good. Okay, I didn't condense this one either, so let me condense this one. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 90. Okay, so I can do a 50 and a 10. So 20, 40, actually I'll do 50. 20, 40, 50. So that's 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97. That's 15.97. And treat yourself. Hobbies has 75. I think I'll do a 50 here. So 20, 40, 50. and that's 75. All right, so I still have a couple more envelopes because I have some savings challenges in here that I might be able to condense. Okay, this one I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave this one. The one I want to work on is this one because this one's starting to get a good amount in here. Okay, so I could do 100. That's my only 100. I could do some 50s. So 20, 40, 50. And I can do some, maybe a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which actually I could do a 20 with these. Okay. So that's about it for this one. Oh, can I do a 5? No. Okay, so that's it for this one. Okay. And then that I'm going to leave on its own. And I think this is 15. Is this 20? This is a new challenge that I started. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do 20 on this one. All right, I need to make a little card saying what it is because right now it's just an empty little pouch. All right, so that is it for condensing because like I have my wallet, but I think I want to leave these as they are. Yeah, okay, these are gonna stay since I'm still shopping with them, and I'll just leave it as it is. So I'm just gonna count and make sure that this is all correct over here. So 50s, I have 51, 52, 53, 50, 20s, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 640, 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1203, perfect. All right, so that is it for this video. Did a lot of things. And everything all checks out to that 1203, which is what I wrote down right here. That's going back to the bank. All right, so that is it for this video. Thanks for joining me as I cash unstuffed, added some placeholders, and condensed my envelopes. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.